Hello, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Ron. So you want to know what a drone is, what it really is, and why everyone's flying them. Great, because you've come to the right place. I'll explain exactly what a drone is, how it works, and why you might want one too. So if you're new to drones or just curious about this amazing tech, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a drone is, the different types that there are, and how you can start flying one for yourself. So at its simplest, a drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, something like this, meaning it can fly without a human on board. Drones are controlled either remotely by a pilot on the ground or fly autonomously using an onboard computer. The components are inside the drone itself. Now, the most common types you're going to see today are what are called quadricopters, a drone with 4 spinning propellers. But drones also can have 6 or even 8 propellers, and some are fixed wing aircraft that look more like miniature airplanes. They were originally developed for military and industrial use. Drones are now hugely popular with hobbyists, photographers, videographers, surveyors, first responders, and even delivery companies like Amazon. Now, most drones work by using a combination of the motors and the propellers that generate the lift for the drone, a flight controller, that's the brain of the drone that stabilizes and interprets your inputs or controls. Then you've got sensors like gyroscopes, accelerometers, GPS, and cameras to help fly them more safely. Now you control the drone with a handheld transmitter or controller like these here, or something even as simple as a smartphone app. Now, drones are popular for a lot of different reasons. You can capture incredible aerial photos or videos. They're used for mapping and surveying large areas. FPV, which is what this is, first-person view drones, are used for high-speed racing and even filmmaking. Some companies use drones for delivery, infrastructure inspection, and even search and rescue. Now, in short, drones give you a whole new perspective and can be used in a ton of creative and practical ways, sometimes not so practical. And if you're interested in getting into drones, here's a few quick little tips for you. First, start small. You can get an affordable beginner drone to learn the basics of flying, very inexpensive. Secondly, you want to learn about safety, know where you can fly and where you can't fly legally in your specific country or area. Third, if you're in the US and you want to fly commercially, in other words, for money, you'll need what's called a Part 107 license. And then fourth, you want to practice. And the more you fly, the better that your footage and your control of the drone is going to be. Now, I'm going to link some very beginner drone recommendations down below for anyone that's interested. Okay, so now you know what a drone is and why it's such an exciting space to explore. If you found this video helpful in any way, leave a like, think about subscribing, leave a thumbs up. That's always appreciated as well. And remember, you'll find more drone-related content and tech-related videos on this channel as well. And really quickly, for those who might be curious why I made this video, you might ask yourself, this seemed kind of basic. Well, to be honest, I did a quick Google search and found the most common question asked about drones, believe it or not, is what is a drone? According to the information I have, there was nearly 85,000 average monthly searches on this topic, telling me there's a lot of people out there that just have this very basic question, and I thought I'd put a video together for it. So I'm kind of curious to see how this video performs over the next few months. And if you made it to the end of this video, leave a comment down below asking the question, what's this drone? I'm curious to see how many of you actually stayed to the very end. Again, just doing a little research here on my channel. That's it for this video. Take care, and we'll see you all in the next one.